Hey guys, so today we're going to get out of the office and we are going to go to Volusia Top Gun. Ormond Arms is located in the Daytona Beach area, and so is Top Gun. So if you guys ever are here, you should go check them out. They have a gun range and a bar and grill. So let's go. Top Gun is located on International Speedway near the flea market. There will be a link in the description with their address. Hey guys, it's Kaitlin with Ormond Arms, and we made it to Top Gun. So we're gonna go inside and shoot a couple rounds, so why don't you guys come on in? Walking into Top Gun is an impressive experience. It is really organized and open. They have a great selection of firearms and ammo. Our gunsmith Frank was smitten with a golden pistol that they had on display. Checking into the gun range was really smooth. The staff was very friendly and knowledgeable. We rented our lane for 1 hour and got our ammo. They have 2 racks of shooting targets. After some careful deliberation, I decided on an Easter-themed target. Just a quick disclaimer, this video was not sponsored by Volusia Top Gun. We just enjoy supporting local businesses. As I enter the gun range, I am trying to remember how loud they are even with ear protection. I'm used to shooting outdoors, but I'm excited to see their range. A little tip, when entering a gun range, there are 2 doors. Do not open the second door until the first door is closed. Shooting was a blast, pun intended. Okay, let's go check out their restaurant, the Double Barrel Grill. They have a great selection of American cuisine. They also have a great selection of whiskey, wine, and moonshine. Our team had a great time at Top Gun. If you are a local or visiting the Daytona Beach area, it is definitely worth checking out. Again, the links are in the description. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the Ormond Arms channel. Hey guys, thanks for spending the day with us here at Top Gun. If you guys are ever in the area, make sure to stop by here in Daytona. They've got a super great gun range, knowledgeable staff, and they also have a great restaurant.